The moment it became one of the most talked of properties across the nation, the client, Tata Motors, threw back the question at the agency. What next? The key objective of the event was to build perception of Tata Primer as a modern, technologically advanced brand with attractive and stylish vehicles, as well as make the property an annual spectacle. Season 2 kick-started with the agency engineering further modifications into the giant machines, engaging around 750 heavy vehicle experts and elevating their top speeds from 110 to 130 kilometers per hour. Post that, the agency rolled out a 360-degree campaign that was much more holistic, dug much deeper and created much more brand visibility than its predecessor. Beyond extensive national media, a pan-India trophy relay cum unveiling activity was also conducted across 15 cities. Another exciting addition was a high-end virtual motion sensing-based truck racing game, which successfully engaged millions through the nation across malls, transport nagars, high traffic zones, crowded joints and dhabas, besides over 300 Tata authorized showrooms as well. The final show, held at Buddha International Formula One circuit on 15th March 2015, proved to be way grander than its predecessor and started off by felicitating over 150 truck drivers aimed at elevating the image of the profession. It also featured a grand Harley-Davidson drive past, a posse of internationally themed trucks, and a specially decked convoy of 40 commercial vehicles from the house of Tata Motors, showcasing the technology, power and stylish looks of the brand. Celebrity performers, grand music and the overall spectacle further added to the magnanimity of the show. As a testament to its success, live stadium audiences almost tripled to over 50,000 for the second edition, which is actually more than what the last F1 Formula race could muster up at the same venue. The publicity and hype generated not only achieved immense brand visibility for the client, but was also successful in further elevating the very perception of trucking in India. Tata Motors' expectations vis-a-vis the annual property was met beyond expectations through the evolution undergone by the property in its second avatar.